Hey everyone, welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by wealthbuildershq.com. This update is for Friday, the 20th of September, 2024. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I am sorry there is no video today. I've been working on it for the last hour, trying to figure it out. Microsoft did an update, screwed up a driver, and we're trying to get hands on the right driver now. So as soon as I'm done with this video, I go back at it again. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right. So I want to start off first with our candidates from the previous day. So we had candidates that were for trading day of today, the 19th. We did them on the 18th. And the very first one was Adobe. Right? So Adobe gapped up, middle of nowhere, no trade set up at all. So nothing happened on this one. This was a no trade. Right? Then we had Costco. Costco opened up, it ran up. Well, ultimately stretched down, but it wound up bouncing first. So we want to look at that 100 level. That's really was our key level, was that 900 level. So let's look at the 5-minute chart, and let's see if we had anything. The 100-point level doesn't transfer to other charts. Let me see if I could do that here. I don't know if it lets me do it on this line. Yeah, show for all charts. Okay. So we go to a 5-minute chart. There it is. So we blew right through it. We came back above. We came back down. We got back up. We closed right here. We never really rebounced, and we're already at 12:15. So we had nothing go on for today as far as a trade on Costco either. So nothing there, right? So let me mark that one up there. And then last one was United Healthcare. Let's go over to daily chart. United Healthcare, we would only take that one bearish. It opened up a little bit. Wonderful. The bulls tried, and the bearish said bye-bye. Pushed them right back down. We got below the 581.50. Let's go look at an intraday chart of the 581.50. That's this blue line right here. We failed. We closed right there. So that's 581.50. We closed on this candle at 581.22. 32.42, 28 cents away, and then we failed. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a retest. That is the exact setup we are looking for, right? So United Healthcare worked out extremely well. So if we look, there's one of the three from today worked, which was United Healthcare. We're up $216, $8,850.84 in total. We've got 85 candidates altogether. 30 of them were winners. 9 went against us. 2 broke even. 44 trades we didn't take. 39, 41 we did. Of the 41 trades, $215.87 per contract. If it's not enough money for you, do more contracts if you're so inclined. All right. So now let's go check out what's going on with the market. First, look at the S&P 500. That's the S&P 500. There we go. Look at that. Another all-time high, and it ran right into my 618 line. Told you. So I've been calling it for about a week now. This is the next level. This is it. This is it. This is it. Once we broke above the recent swing high, which we did right on this day. That was on the 17th. Right? And then we ran right into the next level there. So great bullish move today. We're going to look at the Qs. Now today on the Qs, we had a great gap away. I love this. Was it an overreaction? Tomorrow we get profit taking. People get out of the bullish trades and the market goes down. Yes, I'll take it. Right? Or does it break to the upside and I wind up with a bullish potential on the upside there? Either way, I like the bullish better because we are bullish. Small move up above that 484.62. A pullback and a bounce. 500 will be our resistance. All right, my target's going to be somewhere around 497. Right? We're going to take the trade on the bounce. Stop is going to be just below the 484.62. If we fail, move on down a little bit, retest, drop. We're looking at support at 472.93, a target of 475, give or take, maybe 476. Your call there. With, again, our stop just on the other side of the 484.62. So I like Qs a lot. I like the setup it's had from today. It's a good move for us as a potential for tomorrow. All right, if we look at the entire fib on POD, or POD, P-O-D-D, right? Nice fib, a little bit old, but we're okay still. All right, so we're only going to look at this one for the upside. I am not interested on the downside move at all. So Retest to 236 and bounce. 249.68 is resistance. My target's going to be right around 248, 248 and a half, 247 and a half, somewhere in that area. My trade comes in right off of the bounce, and just down below the 236.10 is where our stop is going to be. And then last is PWR. Let's look at the whole fib. Unscrunch, please. All right, there we go. All right, nice little move there. Today, what a great move, actually. 17.5 points today. All right, I'm going to scrunch it down just a little bit. Let me do this. Let's go back in here. Holy mackerel, what did I do? And I know what I did. I just don't know why it did it the way that it did it. Trying to look at getting rid of these diagonal lines because they really don't belong there anymore, and I don't know why they are messing me up so much. All right, we're going to leave them alone. I can't, for the life of me, figure out where they're coming from. They are old, and I don't know where. All right, so we're just going to bring this current. We're going to go back to a daily chart. We'll just have to contend with it. All right, so we're not going to worry about those diagonal lines up above. Right, we're looking at, we need a 300 level in here, always 100-point levels on these price stocks. We're going to put a 300. We're going to make it a dash dot. We're going to turn it into this last one on that line of reds. All right, so that's going to be our target right there, or resistance, I should say, right there. So give me a small move down, a retest, and a move up. We're looking at 300. That's our resistance. The target's going to be right about 298. You're going to take the trade on the bounce off of here. Our stop will be somewhere down below the 288.45. Now, if it fails, comes back down below the 288.5 tomorrow, retests and drops, we're looking at taking the trade right as it comes off that 288.45. We've got support of 281.93. So our target's going to be right around 284. We don't have a lot of room to the downside, so you got to be careful there. Stop will be just on the other side. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all at our next update. All right, take care for now. Bye.